Hi everybody, this is Nathan from DataMotion.com, and we're going to go through the steps today on how to set up your company's DataMotion portal with the branding options to brand it to your company's color scheme and logo and some of the other things that we would do to make the portal look and feel like it is your company's portal. So the assumption is that you've either signed up for a trial license or purchased a new DataMotion license, and you're just at the point where you're ready to set those options up. So let's get started. We'll get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up the portal here in Google Chrome, and this is what it looks like by default. So it's got the typical DataMotion color scheme. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And as you've seen, I have not changed anything yet. This is literally a brand new account that I've set up. So you're going to want to go to Administrative Tools and then to the Co-Brand Management Console. All right, so once we're in this screen, this is where we're going to do all of our options. And you want to go into this top box and say create a new co-brand. So we're going to go ahead and click that. So create a new co-brand. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in my company name there. So that's my training domain that I'm going to put there. All right. I usually leave the default URL alone. We can change that later, but just for now, we're going to leave it by default. And so the next thing is this co-brand color. Now, what this wants is this actually wants the color code that you want to use for your co-brand. Now, you may say, well, I don't know my company's color code. Most people probably don't. And so we have a way that we can go get that. And the way I get that is there's an add-on in Google Chrome that you can use that I'll show you. What you want to do is you want to go to the Chrome Web Store. So just do a Google search for Chrome Web Store, and there it is. And up in the search box here, just type in color pick. So if you type in color pick, you'll get a whole bunch of options because there are several that do this. The one I've liked is this one that just says color pick eyedropper, and you'll just have the option to add it right here. Go ahead and do that. I've already done that with mine, so I'll show you how this works. What I want to do is I want to grab this blue color that's on our website, and I'm going to use that as the default color for my DataMotion portal. So this bar up here that's black, I'm going to be able to turn that bar and some of the other options into that blue color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the website that has my color, and here's my color pick add-on right here up in the upper right, this color pick eyedropper. So I'm going to click on the color pick eyedropper, and now your cursor turns into a set of crosshairs, and you just lay the crosshairs over the top of what you want to choose, and by doing it, there it is. There's my color code. So now I just need to take that and copy it, and then I just go paste it over here into the box here for co-brand color. And just like that, you can see now the bars are the exact color that I want them to be. So the next main piece that people like to do here is to put the logo up here in the upper left hand corner. So I have already saved my company logo to my desktop, which is something that you may want to do ahead of time before you get started here. Get a good JPEG of the company logo. Make sure it's sized just the way that you want it to be sized and everything. And we're just going to go to Choose File. I'm going to browse to my desktop and choose my company logo. And then I'm going to hit Save. And voila, it's just that easy to set up the co-branding options for my DataMotion portal. So let me go ahead and log out here just so you can see what this looks like now. And there you go. That is exactly what it looks like after you've set up your co-brand options. The reason this is important is because when you send messages with your Outlook add-in, when end users get them that are not DataMotion subscribers, you want them to be able to go to a portal that feels like your company's portal. It will not feel foreign to them if it has your company logo. So that's why this is a crucial step. It's really more about having email recipients feel comfortable with answering and responding to encrypted messages that you send to them. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@buydatamotion.com, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And feel free to visit us online at www.buydatamotion.com.